should you do fake PR? So what is actually PR or public relations? So the idea behind this is that you're getting some authority source to write some content about you and then to put some backlinks onto your site. So there's two benefits. The backlinks, if they are of high quality, they will help you to rank in Google. The second part is like the prestige of being featured in some publications. And I've seen a lot of this kind of fake PR. Someone is like listed as like an author on Forbes or Inc. magazine, Entrepreneur magazine. And what sometimes seems to happen is that there are some people who are a credible author on this platform, and they are selling articles to entrepreneurs who wants to be featured on that. So the entrepreneur might pay like a couple of $1,000s to get featured in this. And I've seen a lot of articles. This is quite funny. They actually they don't show up in the author's profile. They're just like unlisted articles that you can only find if you know the direct link to this article. So they don't really want to show that they're creating this kind of content. Yet it still looks really impressive if a client goes there and says like, yeah, check out my article on Forbes, or like this article where I'm mentioned in on Forbes or Inc. or whatever, like whatever magazine is like relevant in your niche. What you should do, if someone is listing this that they are like a contributor or author, make sure that you actually check out the article and look for obvious clues. If it's like a low quality article, there is a good probability that someone is actually it's not a real article. It's more like a paid article, a paid public relationships article for. So you can check out the author. You can also check out the article in different backlinks analysis tools, so you can see if it's actually generating some traffic. If this or is it like just a hidden article? And you should really not pay for this. I would say if you can't create the content, if you can't build the relationship to get featured in those magazines for real, you shouldn't go around and like brag and pretend that you're like in some way important. This is the same way of like putting up some fake picture, like I met Richard Branson, which is just like you paid for like a £5,000 ticket to get this picture taken. It's just fake. You're not buddies with Richard Branson. It's just like pretending. Get the real stuff done, do the hard work, and